Morning everybody, we just walked down from the hotel. It's quite early in the morning here in Barcelona. We're going to go from the Cathedral Square to La Rambla, which is through the square on the other side. Come with us.
You should say come, walk with me. I'll show you some of the sights of Barcelona. It's one of it.
This is the main Cathedral Square. Not obviously the Sagrada de Familia, but this is the Cathedral de Barcelona. The hotel's nice and centrally positioned in the Gothic Quarter. And you come down all these wee side streets. You'll find it quite interesting with lots of nice wee bars and cafes. Obviously not a lot of them are going to be open, but we're going to film later on when they're all open. Really is quite an interesting city, Barcelona. There's loads of lovely wee alleyways where there's all these wee hidden gems off them. You'll see a couple of them as you're walking down to La Rambla, and we're going to go down to the big market.
Better than your passport picture, sir. Barcelona Picasso. There you go. Ask your selfie. Hey, one for your lovely wife. Beautiful. Wait a minute. Wait. One for you. Wait a minute. Beautiful. There you go. Look in that cleavage. Look in that cleavage for real.
Amazing the difference between last night walking down here and this morning. Barcelona's not quite woken up yet, has it, Anne? And last night we walked down here, it was absolutely heaving. What a great atmosphere. Now, on our right, there is a wonderful wee tapas place called Bar del Pi. And we had lunch here yesterday in the wee square, and they set up tables all along there and they served from this wee bar, but the tapas were wonderful, really enjoyable and very reasonable as well. Every time you walk round a corner in Barcelona, there's another little interesting square with restaurants, bars, shops. And this is us heading a short walk from the hotel, which is centrally situated. Not the most luxurious hotel in the world, but does the job for a few days. And this is going to take us down to La Rambla.
Enough walk quicker than yesterday.
Yeah, so that's just a wee quick walk, and this is us down onto probably the most famous street in Barcelona, probably one of the most famous streets in Spain actually. This is La Rambla. Yeah, and just a quick advice for anybody that's coming to Barcelona, just make sure you keep your belongings quite close. There has been cases, as in most major cities, of a few gangs of pickpockets work in the area. It should be quite quiet just now. Last night, as I say, it was absolutely heaving down here. But this is La Rambla. And even at this time of the day, none of the restaurants and cafes are set up. Yeah. And we've got two lanes, one going up, one coming down, and this lovely walkway right down the middle of La Rambla. Yeah. We're going to try and find the market. I've been told it's wonderful. So we've hit the middle and they said it's just down to the left, so it should be down somewhere down here.